and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're tuning in for the very first time, I'm so happy that you decided to stop in today. Well, you guys, I am going to be outside taking in the beautiful sunshine and fresh air as I work on our outdoor patio and get it all refreshed for summer 2021. And in the background, you're probably hearing some birds that are serenading me as I am filming. Now, this beautiful lush bush that you're seeing in the background is one of the hydrangea bushes that we have in our front landscape. And I just had to share this with you. Now, those of you that have been following my channel for some time now, I did another video probably the early part of spring where I took you around and showed you what my front landscape looked like. And in that video, you will see that this hydrangea bush here had very little leaves and it was just budding out. So just look at this amazing growth since that time. What I'll do is to refresh your memory, you guys, I will link that video in the iCards above, and it's a spring video. So just tap on that video and you can make a comparison between what this hydrangea bush looked like early spring and now it's the latter spring. So let's get started with this patio refresh. Okay, so now I am showing you our deck as it looks right now. Uh-oh, look who's decided to join us and take a front row seat. Now, it is in the late afternoon, and I'm just letting you all have a view of what our deck currently looks like at this moment. And my husband put this gigantic grill up here. Hopefully he's going to go ahead and move that. And this is what the deck is looking like currently. So I'm just giving you a once over, and we're going to go ahead and clean this up and make this over. It's late in the afternoon today that I'm filming, and it's a little breezy, but it's nice outside. It's mid-70s, but it's overcast right now. So, and my little visitors are here. They love sitting in these chairs, and they will not sit in these chairs if there is no cushions in it. Isn't that something? They will not sit in these chairs. But nevertheless, it's probably going to be a couple of days for us to actually complete this process, because we're going to be painting these rails. And so I just wanted you all to see what the deck looks like before it is made over. Do you guys have anything you want to say? You got anything you want to say? And so I've installed a flower pot here. So I'm very symmetrical. So I have one here on this side, and I have one here on this side. And so as you can see, I have strung some lights up here just to create some ambiance at nighttime. And give you a little closer look so you can see what they look like. And so now I'm going to add an area rug. Stay tuned. And so now I have added in the area rug, and I wanted something vibrant out here to wake up the color scheme out here on the deck, and I think I have accomplished that. And so I'm just going to continue layering this, and I'm going to add the chairs next. So now I have added in these wrought iron chairs. It's just the two of us, so we only need two. And I'm going to go ahead and add the seat cushions to these chairs. So now I'm just showing you that I've added in the seat cushions. These are actually gray. They might be showing up white or off-white, but they are a pale gray. So now I'm just going to add another pillow to the back of this seat here. And so we're just going to continue decorating. Stay tuned. And so now I'm just showing you that I've added in this smaller pillow as well. And I did not plan that these pillows were going to have the same design as this area rug. I actually had these pillows long before I got the rug. So it's just a wonderful coincidence. And so that completes my chairs. And so I think the next thing I'm going to do is I need to add a table or a planter in this center section here, and I'm just going to keep on decorating. So stay tuned. So now I'm just letting you know that I've added in the patio umbrella here, and I'm going to open that shortly. Okay, you guys, I decided to add a third chair out here on the deck, and I'm just showing you what that looks like. And this is the little setup over here. I have a lantern and my plant and my little aloe vera plant over there. So this is going to conclude my deck for now. I'm probably going to go back and add a few more touches, but as for now, this is what we're going to stop with.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.